So today I'm reviewing the third version of one of my favorite backpacks for one bag travel that now has pretty cool daily bags. And the best way to show you is by traveling. So it's time to give you a review of the PAKT One Travel Backpack. This is version 3. I already made a video about the second and the first, but now let me give you the updates on this one. Starting with the material. This one has a nylon wave that is made out of twisted filament yarn, often called ballistic yarn, making the fabric stronger and resistant to wear and tear. And of course, it's water resistant. So I'm gonna tell you how you can use this backpack by stripping it down to its core. So starting first, there's a water bottle holder over here. So this is my water bottle. It's expandable, so you can have bigger than mine. This one actually packs to nothing, which is pretty cool. I also have a packing list with all the things that I have. I can put a link on my channel because some of the things that are here, I'm not using it on the other backpacks that I'm actually currently using. One thing that I really like about this backpack is the quick access from so many of the compartments. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna start with the top front compartment. So here, for example, I can put some of the tech essentials and also like a field notes and some other things. It's a pretty nice like compartment area that you can put some essentials like a key holder, and even you can put the air tag. You can put the air tag over here. So it's nice to have all these small things on the top. Now on the bottom of this front, well, you can put something like a packable sling from PAKT, which is also pretty cool. Actually, I can show you. It opens like this, and then you got a sling. Like, it's so cool. I'm actually trying to get into slings. It's not my thing so far, but this one that is packable from PAKT, it's really cool. They actually have a few packable things like this sling, a backpack, and even a tote. Just check on their website, it's pretty cool. In the next top compartment, I can put a dop kit, for example. And then in the middle, you can actually take your laptop. On the other compartment, you put, for example, a rain jacket, something handy. And there's a new cool feature on the last top compartment. You can actually put your passport because it has like an RFID holder and passport and cards, things like that. It's so nice. And the last one, it's where the other bag goes. But we'll talk about all those things in a bit. Okay, if we turn the backpack around, there's these really nice backpack straps. They're like really well padded. And there's also this shoulder strap that this is stowable. You can hide it. Even the backpack straps, you can hide them over here. There's also this adjustable height, so it depends on your height. You can really adjust the way that you want. So this is really, really cool. It's a new feature from the third version. It also has the luggage pass-through. If you need that, for example, you can hide everything and put it in another suitcase. Let me show you if I wear it, how does it look? You can also put it all the way in the front, so you can adjust it the way that you need. But yeah, it looks nice, right? And now let me show you my favorite feature of this backpack, that it opens in half clamshell. So you can see over here. This is the same for the Travel Duffle, the other one that I'm using right now, and the same for the Aero. All of them has the same setup, like this opening style. This is what I like a lot. So start here. This is a laptop compartment. And if we open the right side, that it has this mesh that you can see what's on it. We have some packing cubes from PAKT. There's a set of 6 and they fit right exactly on the backpack. This is just for my bottoms. And here I can put like shoes, sandals, or things like that. And there's also these clip pouches from PAKT. That's why it has these sets over here. So you can just clip them. I don't have it right now, but they have a waterproof pouch that you can use as well for your top kit, and you can just clip it in this side. All right, now on the left side, you can see here, there is more of the packing cubes from PAKT. So this is just the tops. And this one is actually really nice because it has 2 dividers, so you can put your socks and boxers, underwears. And by the way, it has a handle. So you can just put it somewhere, you know, like in their closets. All right, now let's close everything very quickly, even this halfway, because there's just one more thing. On the backpack, there's this, there's an expandable area, as you can see here, So the one that I have is a 35 liter, and it can go 5 liters more if you need more space. There's also a 45 liters, it can go to 50, so you can pack so many things. You can, for example, if you have a big jacket or things that you just want to put, like they're big, it's good to have it there. But also PAKT now has this new mode backpacks.
I like that the new daily backpacks also come on their own packaging, so you get the same unboxing experience as the larger models.
And they have a few. They have a convertible one, a backpack, and the shoulder bag. This is the shoulder bag. It's really nice to go to the coffee shop with this one, you know. But I think the coolest things about this feature, which was almost the same from the version 2, is that you can just go to the plane, you know. And when you're about to get your chair, just sit down, take this one out, and put this one on the top. And this one you can put your laptop and things like that. I actually just did it. And this color is actually really nice. Not what I usually use because everything is black. What do you think? It's a nice color, right?
The shoulder bag is surprisingly feature-packed. The front pocket offers plenty of organization, and the main compartment fits a laptop, a tablet, and other essentials.
And it looks professional as well. Look, I can just... It's kind of nice. So there you go. This is the new PAKT One Travel Backpack. It's such a nice design. This is one of the best ones if you want to do one bag. And if you want, they have another one that is lighter than this one, the Aero Travel Backpack.
The Aero Travel Backpack also has the same features like the clamshell opening compartment, but it compromises on weight, as this one only weighs 2.6 pounds instead of 3.6 pounds. The handles are really thin, and its aero weave textile makes the backpack a bit crunchy on the touch. So if weight is a deciding factor for you, the Aero is the better pick.
But for me, this one is the best. But I'm actually using right now the Travel Duffle. As you can see, this is the one that I'm currently using because I have a system. I have another backpack for filmmaking, and this one to carry. But it's the same opening style like those two. They're really good ones. So PAKT is awesome, basically. I also got a thing outside because I recorded this in their co-working area of their New York location. Such a nice place. They have good rooms, good co-working area, and nice community. And if you want to see, I have a video about this location. So if you want to get this backpack or the Aero or the Duffle or the mode bags, I'm going to put the link down below, or also the QR code here, so you can go buy them. And if you do it through my click, it's going to support this channel. So thank you very much. And PAKT, really cool stuff. All right, see you in the next video. Ciao.